Hello, welcome to Madeline Korea's channel. Now I'm here with a very simple recipe. Okay, it is chicken tandoori. With not tandoori pieces, but I have made it smaller and my type, because I'm not going to do it in tandoor. I'm going to do it in a vessel on the gas. Now let's have a fast look at the ingredients. 1 kg of chicken washed, and the pieces are this big. Actually, you can have the L piece for tandoor, but I like it like this. So 1 tablespoon of this. Put chili powder as you wish, because this will take pungent. Okay. Ginger garlic paste can I have from the fridge? Just get it. Ginger garlic paste. Now since it's 1 kg, I will put 3 teaspoons that I have kept. See the size of the teaspoon in that. And now I will add in the curds and oil. While cooking it, I will add ghee. This is homemade curds, tablespoon. Three, 4, 5 tablespoons. Okay, mix it well and keep it in the keep it out only to marinate it. Keep it out. Keep it for 1 hour, and then I will start the process of cooking. I will check later if I require to put more chili powder. This is the plain chili powder. Done. So I'll keep it to marinate, cover it. Keep it on the table only for 1 hour. I'm putting little more chili powder because I don't use food color. Okay, and I find the chili powder that I put for marination is quite less. You can increase or decrease, but don't be worried about the color of the tandoor, because food color is not good. It looks appealing, but it's not good. At least I don't recommend. Okay, now the vessel is hot. I'll pour this in that. Be very careful. Okay, now the next thing is I will have to cook this open, okay, and medium flame. So on induction I kept it 800. Let's see. Okay, keep it open and occasionally you have to keep stirring. Now I have to put in pure ghee. Okay, a spoon to see the granules in the ghee. Enough, because you don't have to put water in this. It has to be cooked in that coconut oil, its juices and the ghee. Ghee is very good for health. Okay. It is clarified butter. I bought it ready-made. I have no time to make it in the house. And mind you, cook it open. Keep on stirring it on medium flame. I have not put water on. It is the ghee, juices from the chicken, curd, and all the mix that is here. Let it cook. Actual idea of tandoor.
Not to close it?
No, never close it. Because it juices, come out, then the ghee, everything goes inside. If you cover it, the steam comes out. Not good. Then the taste will. I have not put this thing, and I assure you, it will get its beautiful color and taste also.
Keep it on high flame or medium?
Medium. Medium. High flame, it may not get cooked, and it will not, because it's kept open. Okay, it's not closed that you increase the flame and decrease. You better cook it on a medium only. It. To still cook, and the water has to dry. Okay, whatever liquid is there, it has to dry. Keep on occasionally stirring, because it should not burn down. I have made medium flame. Little more, another 10 minutes. So by the time the chicken will get cooked, and this liquid also will get. It is not cooked, because I can make out, see, little more is there. By the time simultaneously it will get cooked and the liquid will get dry. Look. So it is done. So I will put it off now. Little that liquid gets lesser. This is all ghee. See, without covering I have done this, okay? And timing of finishing this I cannot really tell, because it depends upon what type of chicken pieces you have. Is it tender or is it not tender? So the total timing, I don't know, it depends. How you keep the fire on, high flame, low flame. And without closing I have done. So I'll put it off now. Okay. Right side. This is all. Yeah. I will leave it like this. You know what will happen? The ghee will get siphoned into the pieces. Okay. Leave it open. Not necessary to close. And when you are eating, you serve yourself. Okay. This is not done on the coals. It's done in a handi, not even in tandoor. It will not taste less than that. Understood? Because it all got all the nutrition and the taste also it will have. Thank you, my dear viewers, for having patience with me. You try the recipe. Click on the bell icon if you have not subscribed to my channel. Please patronize my channel and enjoy cooking, good health and fitness. Bye.